Have you ever taken your pet to the veterinary doctor and suddenly felt confused about what to say? Maybe your dog is sick. Maybe your cat is not eating. Or maybe your bird is acting very strangely. But when the doctor asks you questions, your mind goes blank. You want to explain the problem, but you don't know the right English words. Don't worry. Today, in this video, you will learn how to have a natural and confident conversation with your pet veterinary doctor in English. So, if you love your pet and want to communicate better with your vet, stay with me until the end. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Speak English Fluently for more real-life English conversations. Now, slightly slower, let's begin our lesson. First, let's understand something important. When you visit a veterinary clinic, the doctor needs clear information about your pet. Your pet cannot talk. Pause. So you are the voice of your pet. That means you must explain what happened, when the problem started, what symptoms you noticed, what food your pet eats, and how your pet behaves. The clearer your explanation is, the easier it becomes for the doctor to help your pet. Now, let's imagine a real situation. Your dog has not been eating properly for 2 days. You're worried, so you take your dog to the veterinary clinic. Let's see how the conversation begins. Pause. Owner. Hello, doctor. Vet. Hello, how can I help you today? Owner. Doctor, I'm a little worried about my dog. Vet. Oh, I see. What seems to be the problem? Owner. My dog hasn't been eating properly for the last 2 days. Vet. Okay. What is your dog's name? Owner. His name is Max. Vet. How old is Max? Owner. He's about 3 years old. Vet. All right. Please place him on the table so I can take a look. You see? The conversation is simple. The first step is always greeting the doctor and explaining the main problem. You don't need complicated English. Simple sentences are enough. For example, my dog is not eating. My cat seems weak. My rabbit is not moving much. My bird is not flying. These simple sentences help the doctor understand the situation quickly. Vet. When did you first notice the problem? Owner. About 2 days ago. Vet. Has he been drinking water? Owner. Yes, he drinks water normally. Vet. Has he vomited or had diarrhea? Owner. He vomited once yesterday. Okay. Thank you for telling me. Vet. Has he eaten anything unusual recently? Owner. Yes, I think he ate something from the trash. That might be the cause. When talking to a veterinarian, the doctor will ask many questions. Don't be surprised. These questions help the doctor diagnose the problem. Some common questions include: when did the problem start? What food does your pet eat? Has your pet vomited? Is your pet active? Has your pet been vaccinated? You should answer these questions honestly and clearly. Even small details can help the doctor. Vet. Okay, I'm going to examine Max. Owner. All right, doctor. Vet. First, I will check his temperature. Pause. His temperature is slightly high. Owner. Oh, is that bad? Vet. Don't worry, it's not very serious. Vet. Now I'm going to check his stomach. Pause. He seems to have a mild stomach infection. Owner. Is it dangerous? Vet. No, it is quite common in dogs. Owner. That's a relief. Many pet owners feel nervous during the examination, but remember, veterinarians treat animals every day. They understand these situations very well. So stay calm and listen carefully to the doctor. Now, it's your turn to ask questions. Many people forget this step, but asking questions is very important. Owner: Doctor, what caused this problem? Vet: It was probably something he ate. Owner: Will he recover soon? Vet: Yes, with proper medicine, he should recover in a few days. Owner: Does he need medicine? Vet: Yes, I will prescribe some medicine for him. Owner: Okay, doctor. Here are some useful questions you can ask your vet. What causes the problem? Is it serious? Does my pet need medicine? How long will recovery take? What food should I give? When should I come back? These questions help you understand your pet's health better. Vet: I will give Max an injection today. Owner: All right. And I will also give you some tablets. Owner: How should I give the tablets? Vet: Give one tablet twice a day after food. Owner: Okay. Also, give him soft food for a few days. Owner: What kind of food is best? Vet: Boiled chicken and rice will be good. Owner: Thank you, doctor. Always listen carefully when the doctor explains the treatment. If you don't understand something, ask again. For example, could you please repeat that? Can you explain that again? How often should I give the medicine? Doctors appreciate when pet owners ask questions because it shows that you care about your pet. Owner: Doctor, is there anything I should do at home? Vet: Yes. Make sure he drinks plenty of water. Let him rest and avoid giving him heavy food. Owner: Okay, doctor. Vet: Also, watch for unusual symptoms. Owner: Like what? Vet: If he continues vomiting or becomes very weak, bring him back immediately. Owner: Understood. Remember, your pet depends on you. Animals cannot tell us how they feel, but by observing their behavior and talking clearly with the veterinarian, you can protect their health. Vet: I would like to see Max again in 3 days. Owner: Okay, I will bring him back. Vet: That way we can make sure he is recovering properly. Owner: Thank you, doctor. Vet: You're welcome. Taking care of a pet is not just about feeding them. It is about understanding them, protecting them, and helping them when they're sick. Good communication with your veterinarian is a very important part of that responsibility. And remember something important. Your English does not need to be perfect. What matters is confidence and clarity. Speak slowly, use simple sentences, and practice conversations like the ones you learned today. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Speak English Fluently. And tell me in the comments, what pet do you have? A dog? A cat? A bird? Or something else? I would love to know. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence. See you in the next video.